What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ruben, back with another video. Today, I'm giving y'all an update on my car. Shit, lately, man, shit, I had got a new clutch, a new throwout bearing, and goddamn, a new clutch fork put in my car. Shit, he put everything in there mighty good, you know what I'm saying? Only thing he really did wrong was, shoot, he ain't tighten all my lower nut back up, you know what I'm saying? Just simple stuff like that. You know how I recently got a new exhaust system. He had, I took it to him, now I got it from him, now I got an exhaust leak and all of that. So basically, I went to a bad mechanic. I'm gonna put a video clip in a couple seconds, probably at the end of the video, and let y'all see when my tire and stuff fell off because he didn't put my lower nuts all the way back on. That's about it. Yeah, the mechanic I went to, shit, I guess he stripped my goddamn lower nuts and shit out. Shit, it fucked me up, man. Shit, I was on the way to Nashville, go to college, goddamn shit. Fucked around and stopped and checked on my shit. My lower nut was new, my loose, excuse my language. That shit was loose. That shit, car sitting on the ground because of this mechanic, man. It's over with. That's all. Yeah, YouTube, that's about it. You know what I'm saying? Just an update on my car, you know what I'm saying? I moved, you know what I'm saying? Here go my brother's car. Y'all can follow his YouTube channel in the top right hand corner. That's his car. You got the black ring, you got a GT, you got the same car as me, except he got a what kind of car? You got a 2001. It's a car right here. You got the black headlight, black tint. And that's about it. Don't forget to, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying, turn on your notifications, hit the like button, and that's about it.